What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be adding a new post, and that would be our Elementor based. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring my mouse here to new, and then I'm going to hit post so that it's going to take me to the new window. That will be add new post. Here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to enter the post title. So the post title that I want to be entering would be iOS has some bugs that needs to be fixed. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna select iOS, and then here I can add any of the tags if I want to. So I'll be just adding iOS bugs Apple. Okay, and I'm gonna hit enter, and you can see these tags are right here. I'm just gonna go to the content layout, and my content layout is going to be 100% full width, and the margins should be disabled. I'm gonna go to the title right here, and the title should be disabled as well. Okay, and then I can also go to okay, yeah, so you can pretty well do the customization from here. Short code before top bar, and you can go with the header as well. You can also go with the menu, title, footer, and the post section. Okay, so you can move on with this. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead. I just basically need a featured image. Okay, so my featured image is going to be this image right here. I'm just gonna hit set featured image. So you can see what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna hit publish, and let's view our page. So on viewing this page, you will see that here would be an image that I don't want to add. So you can see this image is pretty big, and I don't want this to be added. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the customize right here, and I want to remove the featured image section from these posts, because if you want to show these featured images, you can show them. If you do not want to show them, because we want to add this, we basically want to add these featured images, and we just basically want to remove this from the featured section where there should be no images. Okay, so here you have to come here, and then here what you have to do, you need to go to the blog section, and then you have to go to the single post right here. Here you can manage it. So basically we will remove the featured images and from this section right here. I'm just gonna click this, and you can see that this featured image will be removed from all the posts that we will publish. Okay, you can see this is how it is working. If you don't want that, you just click here, and then you will publish it, and you will see that the featured image will be still coming right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click edit with Elementor, and you will see that it will take me to the Elementor page. And then here you go, you can see this is how it is coming. We have the title right here, we have this right here, and then here we can add anything. So you have to focus on only one thing. Either you want everything to be added, or if you want everything from scratch, totally scratch, then you have to focus on that. What you have to do, you have to just come here, and then you have to add everything from here. Or you have a new option. If you just remove these stuff, okay, what is going to be happen is that it will be applied to all the blog posts that you have. So if you don't want to apply it to all the blog posts, what you have to do, you have to just click this, and then you have to hit go to dashboard. Okay, and then you have to go down where it says the template. You have to select Elementor Canvas. Okay, you have to just hit update, and then you have to hit edit with Elementor. So now here would be a total blank screen where you have to do everything from scratch, so you can add pretty well everything. Okay, let's see if we have a header. Okay, we have custom header, we have custom header logo, so we can add it. We can just select it, and then we can add custom header logo. So you can load it, and then you can see you can select it to be right, you can select it to be left, and you can see here if I just apply it, it's gonna appear right here. Okay, you can also go with the custom header navigation. You can just bring it right here, and then here we go. This is how it is coming, so you can pretty well show them if you want to. I'm just gonna select it to be right, and you can see this is coming right here. So what you will do, you will just come here, you will basically hit duplicate column, and here would be 2 columns right here. I'm just gonna click this guy, and I'm gonna remove this widget. I'm gonna change this widget to be the column right here. I'm just gonna close it, and you can see this is how it is coming. So we have this right here, and we have this right here. I'm just gonna click this guy right here, and you can see that the image position, this position is right. I'm gonna go to the advanced, and I basically want to style it. So how will I style it? I'll just click this guy to hold this guy right here, and I will change the background color to be the gray. So here we go. This is how it is coming. Okay, we have the logo, and then we have this guy right here, this. So I basically want to align this to center, not the center. Let's align this to left, and let's give some padding to the top so that it comes straight to the panel right here, like this is coming. So I'm just gonna click this guy right here. I'm gonna click advance, and then I have to go to the margin right here. So I want to give some margin to the top. So I'm just gonna click this, and I'm gonna hit this, and then I'm gonna assign some margin. Here we go. You can see, and now if I just click it, you can see this is how it is working. So we have this right here, and then we have this. So you can also add the top nav menu if you want to add it. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, so let's see if we can add the top nav. So we cannot add the top nav. Let's just hit custom. We can add custom HTML, we can add custom header logo, we can add custom header, and we can also add the custom menu. So if you want to add the top menu right here above, you can also add that. Okay, now here what I want to add a blog post. So how will I add that? I will just add template. You can basically create it yourself. The total blog post that you want to add, you can click create a new section. Here you can just click this. You can drag the title right here, so you can design it. You can then add any of the posts that you want to add, so you can design it. If you want to add the sidebar, you guys also know that how can you add the sidebar as well. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. I'm just gonna add a template because I want to do just things instantly. So I'm just gonna go down, and let's see if we have any of the blog posts. So this is still at landing page. We're still at landing page. We have the contact page, service, pricing, about, product, services, contact, shop, coming soon, and we still haven't got that blog page. Oh my god. Okay, I think I missed that. So I'm gonna go above right here, and because Elementor used to give us the blog thing, the blog template. They used to have that, but I don't know. I cannot see it basically. I think so. Okay, so they don't have it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to design it myself. Okay, let's just go ahead and let's design our blog page. So I'm just going to grab this right here and want a featured image. So I basically want to add the featured image, and then in that featured image, I want to add the title. So I'm just going to grab this right here. I want to go to the style. I want to go to the background. So my background is going to be an image. Okay, I want to add that image, this image, because we have used that image as a featured image. So this image, attachment should be, the attachment should be fixed, and the size should be cover. So I'm gonna go to this whole section right here, and I want to go to the layout, and I want to go to the height. So my height should be minimum height. Okay, this height is fine. I'm gonna assign a border or a background right here. So I'm gonna go to the background overlay. I'm gonna go to the gradient right here, and I want to select the color. So my first color is this, and my second color is going to be white. Okay, you can see how this is. You can also increase the opacity, and I want to decrease this white opacity a bit. Cool. Okay, you can see how this is right here. I want to add one thing. Okay, let's just go to this image right here. Let's go to the style, and let's select this to be scroll. Fixed. The cover should be auto. Yes, I think it should be cover is looking cool. So you can see, and now here we can add the title of the post. So I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna grab the heading, and I'm gonna drop it right here. And here what I have to do, I have to just enter the heading. So that will be iOS needs to, Okay, what is the title right here? iOS has some bugs that needs to be fixed. iOS has some bugs that needs to be fixed. Cool. Okay, what I want to do right now, I want to align this to center, and I want to go to the style right here, and I want to change the color to be full black. Okay, I want to click this guy right here again. I want to choose its typography, and I want to increase it. I want the family to be Open Sans, and I want the weight to be 300. Okay. Oh my god, this is looking amazing. So what I want to do right now, I want to go to the content. I want to click this guy right here, and I need a divider. So divider is going to be this. I want to drag it and drop it right here. Okay, and what I can do, I just can increase the weight. I can go with the color. So my color is going to be full black. Okay, and the width should be, it should be aligned to center, and the width should be this much. Okay, and okay, I have got an idea that how can you create a best blog post. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, and I want to go to this minimum height, and I want to hit fit to screen. So you can see this is now fit to screen. Okay, I want to go to style right here, and I want to go to the border background overlay. So I want its location to be right above somewhere. Cool. Okay, this is a bit cool. I want to just make it below, so you can see this black color is right till here. Okay, and what I want to add a button right here, and this button is gonna take me down. So that button will be so amazing. You can see that how you can create some amazing post. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab this button, and I'm gonna drag it right below here. Okay, and I want to design this basically. So I'm gonna hit read this post. Okay, and I want to align this to center. I want to go to the size, so my size is going to be the large one, and I want the icon to be the down. So it should be like, it should be an icon that means that you will go down. So I'm just gonna grab an icon. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and I want it to be after. So what I want to do right now, I want to go to the style. I want the typography to be on. So my family is going to be Open Sans. Okay, my weight is going to be 300. Okay, and I want to transform it to be full uppercase or the capitalize. Yes, I think. And now what I want to just make it transparent, full transparent. So I'm gonna go to the text color. So my text color is going to be full black. Okay, and my background color is going to be full transparent. Okay, what I want to do right now, I want to add a border right here. So I want to go to the border type. I want it to be solid, and it should be 1 pixel from all the sides. So this is how it is, and I want the border radius to be 200. So this is now full like this. Okay, I can also add the box shadow. So box shadow is looking cool a bit. I want to spread it more. Okay, and I want to spread it like this. Okay, I think this is looking cool. Okay, and now what I want to just give some spacing to the top, from the top, so that it looks great. Okay, I want to go to the padding. I want to, sorry, the margin. So I want to go to the margin right here. I want to uncheck this, and I just want the margin to from the top. So there we go. I think it looks cool right here. I can also make it a bit prominent so that it looks it just catches everything. So I think I need to spread it more. Okay, the horizontal, no, it should be 0. Okay, I need to just blur it a bit more and then spread it full. Cool. Okay, on clicking this, okay, it should do one thing. Let's just go to the content right here, and it should take me down. Okay, and now let's go ahead and let's hit save. So now let's add a new section right here, and here is going to be the content of our section. So I'm gonna click here, and I want the content here. So I want to add one thing. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit edit section, and I'm gonna go to the advanced right here, and then I have to come here to the ID, and then I have to assign this ID down. Okay, so that if someone clicks this, it's gonna take me down. Okay, and what I have to do, I have to save it, and then here I can add the content that I want to add. So I'm just gonna click this guy right here. I want to just go to the text editor because I want the whole content, or I can just add a sidebar here as well if I want to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab this 2 columns. I want to add a sidebar here, and then the rest of that. So I'm just gonna grab the sidebar. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna go to search the sidebar. I'm just gonna drag it and drop it right here. So the sidebar is coming right here. I'm just gonna choose the right sidebar. Okay, and I also want the text area, text editor basically. So let's search for text. Okay, and then let's drag it and drop it right here. So here we can add some text right here. So I'm just gonna copy, paste, and paste it full. So here you go, you can see that this text is coming right here, and then below here we can add a footer. So if you want to add a footer, you just have to click this, and then you have to click this guy right here, so you can see this footer is coming right here. So you can add a copyright yourself. What you have to do, you just have to come here, and then you have to click the background. So my background color is going to be black or a bit of gray, and then I need a text. So I'm just gonna grab this text editor, and I want to click the text because I want to edit the HTML. So I'm just going to add and COPY, so that it's going to add the copyright section, and then it's going to be copyright. Sorry, it's going to be complete WP course 2017. Okay, I want to go to the style right here. I want to change the color to be full white. Okay, and I want to assign this to center. So you can see this is how it is right now, and let's click this. Okay, this is looking cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save right now. Okay, and let's just have a look at our website, how this is gonna look. Okay, I'm just gonna click cross, so you can see that I didn't prepare for this. I just thought that it should look good, and it is now looking good. And let's see how this is gonna look. So you can see iOS has some bugs that needs to be fixed. You can see this is the button that says read this post, so you can also add an action to here, or an animation here. Okay, you can see it is hover. Basically, we want to add the hover effect here. So I'm just gonna click here. Here we go. In the hover section, you can see that I can change the text color to be green. So you can see this is changing to full green, and you can change it to be like fully red as well. This looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save. So you can pretty well do that. Okay, you just click here, and then you can see this is right here. So if I just bring my mouse here, it says read this post. I'm gonna click here, and it takes me down. So this is how this is looking, and I like this a lot. I'm just in love with this effect. Okay, I just click here. It is taking me down, and here is the whole content. Here is the sidebar. So you can design it, you can give some padding. I think that you need to give some padding because this is giving it above. So let's just add it. Let's just come here, and let's just go to advanced right here, and let's add some padding to the top. So I'm just gonna uncheck this, and I'm gonna add the padding to be 20 pixel, or you can add it to be 90 pixel, and let's hit this. So here we have some padding right here. So you can pretty well add images, you can add anything right here, and this is right here, and then we have the footer. So let's go ahead and let's hit save, and then let's come here and let's just save it. Refresh this, sorry. Okay, this is how it is. I'm just gonna click it, and you can see it is taking me down. So I'm in love with this, totally. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and goodbye.